Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a product that promises to help transform your nails from weak and brittle to strong and resilient. The CND RescueRxx Nail Care Daily Treatment. If you're someone who's struggled with fragile nails, this product might be the solution you're looking for. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. CND RescueRxx is a daily treatment designed to strengthen and restore nails that are prone to chipping, peeling, or breaking. This treatment comes in a gel form and is specifically formulated to help repair and protect nails from further damage. With a weight of 0.2 kilograms and a liquid volume of 3.7 milliliters, this product is compact yet powerful. The key ingredient in RescueRxx is keratin, which plays a significant role in nail health by promoting strength and elasticity. The gel formula is designed to penetrate deep into the nails to nourish them and lock in moisture, which is crucial if you have dry or damaged nails. The treatment is also designed to work fast, giving you visible improvements over time. In terms of real-world use, I've incorporated this into my daily nail care routine, applying it every morning and night. It's easy to apply, and the gel texture feels lightweight and smooth. It's not sticky, so I can go about my day without worrying about it transferring or causing any mess. When it dries, it leaves a subtle shine, but it doesn't feel heavy or thick like some other nail treatments I've tried. After about a week of using the RescueRxx treatment, I noticed a significant improvement in my nails. They felt stronger and were less prone to chipping. The ends, which usually peel after a couple of days, seem to stay intact longer. While this is not a product that will overnight make your nails feel like they've had a salon manicure, I did see gradual improvement. However, I do want to mention that if you're dealing with extremely damaged nails, you might need to give it some time to truly see the benefits. Pros: easy to apply with a gel texture that's non-sticky, strengthens nails over time, especially for those with brittle nails, subtle shine left after application. Cons: the treatment takes time to show noticeable results, so you have to be patient. The small 3.7 milliliter bottle may not last as long if you have longer nails or a large area to treat. Now, as for value for money, this product is priced moderately. It's not the cheapest nail treatment on the market, but for what it offers, nail strengthening and repair with a gel formula, it's definitely reasonable. It's also worth noting that this treatment is targeted towards long-term improvement. So, if you're someone who suffers from weak nails and is looking for a solution to incorporate into your routine, the price could be justified. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives, such as Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails or Essie's Treat Love and Color, which are more affordable options that also offer strengthening benefits, although they may not have the same keratin-infused formula. In terms of build quality, the gel itself has a nice consistency, and the bottle is compact, making it easy to carry around if you're on the go. One thing to keep in mind is that the treatment is designed for continuous use. You won't see dramatic results overnight, but with consistent application, you'll likely notice improvement within a few weeks. As for longevity, the formula does seem to have lasting effects when used daily. But if you stop using it, your nails may revert to their previous condition. If you've had any experience with CND products, you know their reputation for quality, and RescueRxx doesn't disappoint in terms of performance. I didn't need to reach out to customer service during my testing, but CND has a solid reputation for customer support if you ever run into any issues. To wrap it up, CND RescueRxx Nail Care Daily Treatment is a solid choice for anyone looking to strengthen their nails and prevent further damage. While it's not a quick-fix solution, it's effective over time and offers a gentle yet powerful way to care for your nails. If you're someone with consistently weak nails, this treatment could definitely make a difference in the long run. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried CND RescueRxx, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.